So what is Tableau? First and foremost, Tableau is a database. It operates under its own proprietary version of SQL. So just keep that in mind. That is a relational database. It works with columnar data, just like any other database that you might work with. Second, Tableau is a business intelligence tool. So Tableau is also graphical presentation software. So its sole purpose is really to take data, raw data, aggregate it, and then present it in a way that is understandable to your audience, a way that you can tell stories to your audience. So Tableau is also a way to monitor existing operations. So dashboards have become very popular nowadays to be able to manage your inventory or monitor your inventory, monitor your financials, your HR, your hiring, your payroll, all those things. So are tied in with business intelligence tools like Tableau. Tableau can also help you discover new business opportunities. Through going through and analyzing the data, you're often able to say, hey, here is a market niche we have not looked at. We think there may be some real growth opportunity here, and maybe we should go in and try to exploit that. And Tableau is a relatively non-technical way of doing business intelligence. You don't need to learn Python to use Tableau. But honestly, it really helps to have some SQL skill and to have some other sort of basic computer programming skills to do stuff on the back end. The more you know about programming, the cooler you can make things in Tableau, or the more complex the business questions you can. So there are many different versions of Tableau, and the one we're going to work with is Tableau Public. So what is Tableau Public? First of all, and most importantly, it's free, which is very handy because the Tableau Corporate is a very expensive proposition, and you often have to convince your employers that you need it in order to buy it. Tableau Public contains most of the capabilities that the Tableau Corporate Edition contains. There are some limitations, but particularly for people who are new to Tableau, it has everything you need to go in and learn how to make things, to make visualizations. Sometimes we hear people talk about Tableau Public, we're trying to figure out, is it software or is it a website? And the answer is, it's both. Tableau Public is the free version of Tableau that you use when you're a student. And Tableau Public is actually where you store all of your visualizations. Tableau Public is, as we said, is a place you store your visualizations. Tableau Public is only semi-private. You can go in, and the default when you store things at Tableau Public is that it's going to be public, literally public. That means anybody can go in and see what you're working on. You actually have to go in and change the settings to either have your default that it's not going to be public, or you can manually hide visualizations that you're working on. I do that frequently when I'm working on drafts of things. So since it's public or semi-public or only semi-private, you might think, wow, is this a good place if I'm working on a budget for my company? Is this a good place to store the budget? And you're like, the answer is absolutely not. Do not put any proprietary material, anything that's private. So no financial, no HR, no business intelligence information at Tableau Public, because people can go in and find it. They can Google you, and they can Google your visualizations, and they can go in and see it. Even if you are going in and hiding your visualization, making it non-public, I still would not recommend you ever store anything related to your business at Tableau Public. You need to get the Tableau Corporate edition and be able to store it either on your local computer or on a server. Finally, and this is probably one of the best ways to understand Tableau Public. Tableau Public is sort of like GitHub for your code. You can't store visualizations at GitHub, at least if you're using Tableau Public, but you can store them at your Tableau Public.